If I were an elephant big and tall, with floppy ears and feet so small, well, maybe not so small, you see.
I'd stomp, stomp, stomp so happily.
Can you stomp like me?
1, 2, 3.
I'd swing my trunk from side to side like a wiggly hose on a safari ride.
Silly safari stomp.
If I were an elephant strong and free, what kind of elephant would I be? A dancing elephant? A twirling star? A trunk trumpet player heard from afar?
Stomp up high,
Stomp down low,
Swing that trunk and off we go. If I had a trunk so long and wide, I'd use it like a water slide. I'd splash, splash, splash on a sunny day and spray my friends in a silly way.
whoosh goes the water, psh, in the air.
Did you feel the mist everywhere? Lift your trunk,
arm up high.
now spray the clouds in the sky.
If I were an elephant going to school, would I sit on a giant jungle stool? Would I write with my trunk, so neat, or stomp a rhythm with my feet?
Boom, boom, boom goes the floor. Elephant drums, hear them roar. Freeze like an elephant statue now, big and still, take a bow. Elephants are strong, it's true, but gentle and kind in all they do. They walk together side by side with family love and elephant pride. Let's march in a line, don't be slow. Big steps forward, ready, go. Wait, the sun begins to glow. Golden skies and shadows low. Elephants rest in a quiet heap, rocking gently into sleep. Can you sway so slow with me? Back and forth like a tree.
Shh, whisper Stomp.
1, 2, 3. Final thing.
If I were an elephant brave and bright, with giant ears and memory might,
I'd explore the world each day in a big, bold, gentle way.
stomp loud, stomp proud,
Wave your trunk above the crowd.
Guess what, explorers? Here's the truth. You don't need a trunk or giant tooth.
With imagination shining bright, you can be an elephant tonight.
One last stomp together. Ready? 1, 2,